Hello South Africa. It is Friday, June 10, 2022 and here is news in a minute. Corn on M7 causes multiple vehicle collisions in Queensburgh. Motorists travelling on the M7 Durban Bound near the main road off-ramp in Northdene, Queensburgh may have been shocked to see a number of car crashes. ALS Paramedics reported that just after 1800 hours on Thursday, June 9, they received multiple calls about the accidents, allegedly caused by corn. It is believed that a truck carrying corn dropped its load all over the road. This unforeseen incident resulted in a number of vehicles crashing, two of which overturned and came to rest on their roofs. ALS paramedics said that 3 people sustained various injuries. The individuals were stabilized on scene before being transported to nearby hospitals for further care. A total of 3 people sustained various injuries and were stabilized on scene by ALS paramedics before they were transported to nearby hospitals for the urgent care that they required, said ALS paramedics. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.